This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Quiche Lorraine recipe full guide. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees F and prepare a 9-inch tart pan while we assemble the filling and crust. Keep your bacon crisp and your custard smooth by whisking eggs and cream thoroughly. I'll walk you through blind baking the crust, layering cheese and bacon, and baking to a golden finish so your quiche holds its slice perfectly on the plate. Start by combining flour, salt, and chilled butter using quick motions for a flaky texture. Press the dough into a 9-inch pan, dock gently, and freeze briefly to make handling easier. Blind bake with pie weights until the edges are set and slightly golden, then cool slightly before adding the filling. These small steps prevent soggy bottoms and ensure the crust supports a rich custard without collapsing during baking. If you're enjoying this quiche guide, please subscribe and like if it's helpful. It really helps the channel. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They stay comfy during long prep and cleanup sessions and make standing at the counter much nicer. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if that sounds good, now let's get back to the video. Sauté bacon until crisp and let it drain while you grate Gruyere or Swiss cheese. Whisk eggs with heavy cream, a pinch of nutmeg, and salt for a silky custard, then fold in bacon and cheese. Pour into the blind baked crust and bake at 375 degrees F until the center is slightly jiggly but set, usually about 30 minutes. Let rest before slicing so each wedge keeps its shape and texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.